theater's gonna sleep, but my motor's still in gear, following the singer's feet right out the stage door. My dear, the rigging hums a B-flat drone. I don't know, the show is done. I lit every single entrance you made. Now I sweep an empty aisle, every shadow, every parade, chasing you mile after mile. I'm the last beam on, still in love with the curve of a shoulder. I'm the last beam on, the only one who calls your name back bolder. The usher mops the dusty floor, he doesn't even look up. He's seen this all before, pouring out his coffee cup. But my beam keeps moving slow. Where else is there to go? I lit every single entrance you made. Now I sweep an empty aisle, every shadow, every parade, chasing you mile after mile. I'm the last beam on, still in love with the curve of a shoulder. I'm the last beam on, the only one who calls your name back bolder. My bow begins to flicker low, but the stand keeps moving on. A programmed endless show until the break of dawn. I'm programmed to adore, forever wanting more. A moth crosses my beam and I land on a silent velvet seat, still reaching for your hand, my lonely program feet.